Hey, it's Shen here. This video, we're going to talk about semiotics and why it's important for designers. So first, what is semiotics? Semiotics is the study of signs. It's all about how we understand the sign and how the signs are used to convey messages in various contexts. According to French linguistic Roland Barthes, a sign usually includes two parts, the signifier and the signified, also known as the detonation and connotation. For example, if we see the word cat, we might think of a pussycat, a ragdoll, or any other kinds of cats. Here, no matter the word cats or the images of cats, they are all signifiers or denotation. They literally point to the same thing. And the real thing or a sense of expressed through these images is the signified and connotation. And they point to the signified meaning behind the thing and the word. That's how things can be categorized into different groups. An interesting situation is that in different cultures, the signified message can be very different. It all depends on the context where the sign sits. For example, red can mean luck for Chinese people, but it represents blood revolution for the French. And if red is still similar everywhere, then white is taboo in Chinese because it's the color you wear for funeral. However, white is the sacred color and is always used in wedding in the West. As a designer, we often hear our client addressing different feelings towards the color we use in the work. Maybe it's a good time to pause and think about the cultural signified behind it, or it's time to strongly back up our design with this insight and pursue them. Another point we need to pay attention to is the naturalization of the signified meanings in design. Roland Barthes strengthened the distinguish between the signifier and signified. The mistaking of connotation and denotation makes the explanation more natural. This can be seen commonly in the media use. For example, when we talk about Korea, we often associate with K-pop, plant surgery, Samsung, maybe the Oscar-winning movie showing the huge class gap in a society. We thought that everyone in Korea might look like idols. They all have good skins. They are all using up-to-date digital devices, etc. How is this influencing our design process? Here is the case. I'm going to design an icon for the user interface of a website or application. And what we're doing is we're navigating the users with signifiers. We need to make sure this signifier conveys the message we want to deliver. If we use the icon that most people relate to somewhere else, then the user experience can be really confusing. So it's not all about the pixel work. Cool. If you're interested in these topics, please give me a thumb up and make sure you subscribe. And any questions, just leave me a comment. See you next time. Bye.